Once you find out why throwing an aspirin into your washing machine is recommended, you will be amazed. Who would have thought that aspirin can have such a purpose? This advice will save your white laundry, and you will see that this pill can even compete with the industrial stain removing and bleaching agents. So, what can you do to remove the stains and avoid that repelling grayish color of white clothes, and restore their freshness? You may be surprised, but you can do all this with an ordinary aspirin pill. What do you need to do? Fill a container with 2 gallons of hot water, and dissolve 5,300 milligrams of aspirin pills. The best way is to crush them in smaller pieces for quicker dissolving. Put your white clothes in the solution, and let them soak overnight. The next day, put the clothes in your washing machine together with several aspirin pills, to get their original white color. If you follow these small steps, the results will amaze you. What's more, you will see that this trick is more effective than both commercial stain removals and bleaches, as it removes all the stains and dirt without damaging the fabric. Once you try it, you will definitely use it all the time.